My name is Kate, and my partner is Amelia. And for our CEL 10 Capstone project, we decided to focus on mental health, specifically through the eyes of a teenage student on a daily basis at school.
So I'm Amelia, and basically the problem that we identified was that there's a big strain on parents trying to figure out what's going on in their teen's head when it comes to like mental health and how they're feeling because oftentimes teens aren't very communicative because they're scared of what their parents may think or how their parents might react to what they're feeling. So we thought that in creating a solution for this problem that we see, it would make it a lot easier for parents to kind of understand what's going on with their teenager and kind of have like a toolbox of kind of vocabulary words and understandings of what this their teenager is feeling so that they can better help their teen.
So, for the solution to this issue that Amelia just talked about, we sought out to make a video that takes parents through a typical day of a high school student, their child. So the main goal of doing this was to help parents gain a better understanding and actually see for themselves what their student undergoes and experiences throughout the day, while also educating them on various mental health terms and conditions. So throughout the video, we identified causes of mental health. We talked about different mental health conditions, more specifically like depression, anxiety, and more importantly, what causes them, what starts that, and why it can start at school, and how you can help.
So, adding on to what Kate was saying, while we're also talking about negatives that may occur throughout a school day, we also kind of want to focus on positives. Like we each day isn't just the same and one day isn't all negative. There's going to be some positive parts of the day. So, as we focus on feeling overwhelmed in the video, we also want to highlight moments of joy and moments where the student really is enjoying life and isn't kind of bogged down by their problems. So, there's kind of a mix of both positive and negative, which we think is really important and will make it a lot more realistic to what a student actually goes through in a day.
So, target audience. So, this perspective is aimed for parents of teenage children struggling with their mental health, primarily caused by their everyday school experiences. We believe that by examining a student's everyday life, we can help parents understand what their child goes through on a daily basis, as we said prior. In doing so, we hope that teens will be able to better communicate with their parents regarding their mental and emotional health, because the parents can actually experience and see what's going on.
So, at the start of the semester, we had a really ambitious plan. We wanted to make this into a virtual reality thing where you could like go through and the different like mental health things that you see would be like pop-ups that you can click on. But as we got further into kind of developing and designing, we realized that that just wasn't possible in the time that we had. So instead, we made a video. And originally, our plan was to have both differing perspectives, one from an introvert and one from an extrovert, just to get kind of a more holistic view of what's going on. But again, we ran out of time. So in the future, we would want to make another personality, I guess. So we would want to have an introverted and an extroverted personality that parents can view. So it's kind of you're seeing everything. And we would also hope to develop perspective into a type of virtual reality simulation that can be navigated with pop ups to make it kind of more interactive and not just like a video. Like we want it to feel experiential, not just educational. And I guess in the future, we would also want to build it into an app where it's a lot more easily accessible because you can just click the icon on your phone instead of finding the link for a website.
So, for our demo, Kate and I have both a website where we intend for our video to live, and we also have our video. And our website is basically just offering a summary of what perspective is. It's a video that helps parents understand their teenagers' mental health by showing them what a typical day for a high school student looks like, which includes the ups and downs. And then as you scroll down, the website gives you a little bit about Kate and I because we're very different people, and it's been very interesting to kind of work together and learn from each other. So there's that. And then a little bit about why we're interested, because we've both had, as I've kind of said before, different perspectives on mental health and different experiences with it. So to kind of show not just one perspective, but many perspectives is just as valuable as having one person's perspective. So this is the website. Moving on to our video.
Adding it for the track, so everything on that track is going to take.
Team experience and motivation. So Amelia and I decided to pair together because we are both very passionate about mental health and teenage students. In the beginning of our journey, we had a bigger, much more broad idea, as she mentioned. However, as time went on, we realized that we were going to be on a time crunch, and we would not have time to carry our bigger idea out. The idea of the VR, the virtual reality, and the navigation. So, while this initially felt a setback, we took the time to collect our thoughts and share our ideas. Throughout our experiences working as a team on this project, we have both agreed and disagreed, but we believe our collaboration has benefited our project significantly. Because we have varied personality traits, for example, I am more extroverted, whereas Amelia is more introverted, we believe that our opposing ideas can benefit and make the project better as we offer different ideas from opposite sides of the spectrum. With what few classes we have remaining, we feel comfortable with the work we have completed and satisfied that we can make a difference and we can help parents accomplish this goal of, communicating more. So as for who completed what on the project itself, Amelia did everything to do with the film and the editing. So she did the subtitles, she merged a lot of clips, she added and cut a lot of clips, she inserted the blank screens, etc. And I did the writing. So the scripts, the project description, the website, and the deliverables. Thank you so much for your time.
And we really hope that this made a difference and it was able to help some parents better understand their teens' mental health.